Uni2Matrix discover how to earn between 180% and 240% in rewards by becoming a liquidity provider for Uni2's token. Benefit from this revolutionary system to generate constant growth for our utility token and the entire CBC Club ecosystem. All liquidity providers, just like you could be, will receive great rewards for their participation. To become a liquidity provider, you must acquire one of the NFTs from the Evolution of Money collection. The cost of the NFTs ranges from 22, 55, 111, 222, up to 1,111 USDT. Once you acquire your NFT, you contribute liquidity to the Uni2 token pool and gain the right to receive a 10% monthly reward of your NFT's value in Uni2's tokens. You will receive the monthly reward for up to 18 months if you are not a member, and 24 months if you are a VIP member of CBC Club. For example, if you purchase an NFT worth 555 USDT, you will receive 180% of your NFT's value if you are not a member. If you are a VIP CBC member, you will receive 240%. That means you will get 10% in Uni2's token every month. How can you receive your 180% much faster than in 18 months? Can you imagine receiving it in a month, a week, a single day? Pay close attention to learn how. If you invite a friend who buys an NFT, you will receive 10% of their purchase and speed up the maximum reward of your NFTs. For example, if your friend buys an NFT worth 888 USDT, you will receive 88.80 USDT. But that's not even the best part. If your friend invites another friend, you will receive 5% from their NFT purchase on the second level and 2.5% on the third level. This drastically accelerates the speed at which you reach your maximum reward. Can it get any better? Yes, there's much more. You will also become part of an international community where you can earn up to 5% in rewards across 11 levels of depth, further accelerating your NFT earnings. Imagine buying an NFT worth 1,111 USDT and receiving 2,666 USDT over and over again in just days or even hours, depending on the growth speed of your community matrix. Important aspects to consider. The 10% monthly reward will be received in Uni2's token based on the market price at the time of delivery. For example, if the token is worth 1 USDT and you are set to receive 88 USDT, you will receive 88 Uni2's tokens. The tokens will be available in your private club area, and you must link a decentralized BSC network wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, to withdraw your tokens. Once you have received 180% or 240% of your NFT's value, you can renew it and continue earning rewards. Each NFT has its own matrix. For example, if you purchase the 555 USDT NFT, you will only be positioned in that specific matrix and receive earnings based on the growth of that community. If you understand the potential, the only question on your mind should be, how do I buy the NFTs? If you have any questions, feel free to ask the person who shared this video with you. Hurry up. The sooner you position yourself, the faster you will generate rewards. Uni2Matrix. Escape the matrix and achieve triple freedom.